Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for GoFo Driver. So all you need to do is open any browser and then type in GoFo and then open the first link. Now what you need to register is a US number and then press on login here. It will take you to a login page, but there is a register option as well. Now all you need to do is to input your US number. Make sure that your phone is near to you because you will need verification for that number, and then you need to input a password and then press on I agree on GoFo terms and conditions. Make sure to read through these terms and conditions and then press on agree and then agreed and then press on register. After you press on register, they will ask you about a few details. For example, as I told you, the verification code for your phone number and some other verifications such as ID or driver license and everything. And once you follow all the prompts on the screen, you will be registered successfully to GoFo, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.